This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, February 27th, 2014. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At noon today, we still have the cold air coming straight from the North Pole, across the Arctic, into Canada, and down into the plains and Great Lakes states around this big vortex over eastern Canada, and it's still going to be fairly cold today. Highs are going to struggle in the single digits and lower teens today. It will be sunny, but it will be deceptively sunny as well. We could see record lows again Friday morning, and during the day Friday, highs will be mainly in the teens and 20s. We could see some light snow breaking out by the afternoon hours. You can see here at midday, most of the snow is still off to our west. And this will move quickly across here by Friday night into early Saturday. But by Saturday afternoon, the next storm is going to be moving in with some light snow approaching the central and western counties into the eastern counties in the afternoon. And this will last through Saturday night into Sunday. We could see heavier snow just to the south, but that could just scrape the southern 2 or maybe 3 tiers of counties with some heavier snow Saturday night into the day on Sunday. It typically tapers off early Monday. By midday Monday, it's clearing. It's cold again, highs in the teens, maybe even colder than that with freshly fallen snow. And with high pressure moving in, that means Tuesday morning of next week could be cold again. We could see record lows once again. You can see a disturbance trying to bring in maybe a little bit of activity into the northwestern counties late here on Tuesday. And then also here on Wednesday, you can see maybe some light snow or a few flurries, mainly along and north of Highway 20. Otherwise, it's still cold with highs in the teens and 20s for highs. That's still well below average. And you can see even a week from today, next Thursday, you can see some energy moving across the U.S.-Canadian border, kind of a short wave moving through there into the Great Lakes. Another weaker one over the Gulf Coast, but the one over the Gulf Coast has a lot of moisture with it, possibly some heavy rain along the Gulf Coast, a little bit of maybe slight snow or flurry activity in the Great Lakes. And off to our west is warmer weather that'll be coming in our direction as you go into the extended period. On March the 10th, you can see the flow is now mainly zonal. The main jet stream well to our north, the subtropical jet stream across Texas into the Florida peninsula. You can see this is a pattern we really like. This would be temperatures in the 40s, maybe even warmer than that, depending on how much snow cover is on the ground at that point, with any precipitation well to our north and west and south. At the end of the forecast on March the 14th, kind of a wavy pattern, not pretty much still zonal at this point, no big amplitude ridges and troughs anywhere. So temperatures will still be fairly warm. New storm moving in from the west, that could bring some rain to the state. And yes, I said rain, not snow. And temperatures maybe near or slightly above average. Satellite image from last evening, you see the subtropical jet coming through Mexico, through South Texas, into the Gulf Coast, and into the Atlantic. This new storm moving into California is the one we're going to have to watch over the next couple of days, but it's fairly clear elsewhere. The watch warning map from last evening, well, it wasn't fairly clear at this point. We had some blizzard warnings that expired during the early morning hours in Minnesota, lots of wind chill advisories and warnings in the upper Midwest, and a new winter storm watch in Wyoming and Montana. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 6 o'clock, showing precipitation amounts between about a quarter to about a half an inch, mainly in the form of some light snow. We'll be able to pinpoint those snow totals at least by later tonight or tomorrow.